Let's highlight the top 5 key specs and features of the SUPERLUX. Number 1, it's 96,000 lumens. It's much brighter than 1000 watt HID light. At ceiling heights of 100 feet, it can deliver over 100 foot candles to the working plane with 600 watts, and the chip is 160 lumens per watt. Number 2, it's only 32 pounds. Because it's a single lens and single driver fixture, it's very lightweight. There's truly nothing else on the market that is this bright and still so compact. Number 3, we use the Inventronics driver with cascading surge protection. Inventronics is one of the best industrial grade drivers with the highest quality components. We never cut corners on quality. These drivers are available in low volt as well as high volt, and they use a wide range voltage. The driver is built to handle some over voltage as well as some under voltage within its normal range without damaging the driver. On top of that, it has a built-in surge suppressor of 10 kV, but we also include an additional 10 kV surge protector inside of the driver box. The combination of the wide range voltage together with our cascading surge protection is the reason why we have the lowest failure rate in the industry. Number 4, it's easy to customize for any application. We often say the SUPERLUX is one fixture that does it all. If you're looking to standardize lighting at your plant, this is a great fixture for you because it's very versatile. It can be working seamlessly with any application throughout your plant, from high bays to your floodlights. You can use it on your high mast, whether they're 100-foot high mast or 130-foot high mast. You can even put it on your overhead traveling cranes. If you have cranes that are 80 feet or 100 feet high, these lights would work great for that to really light up your bay. It only takes 60 seconds to swap out the bracket to use this fixture for any application. Number 5, it's really easy to install and maintain. Electrical teams love the SUPERLUX fixture because it's just so lightweight, easy to install. It comes standard with a 6-foot pigtail. We can also provide longer cable if you need. The driver is very easy to access for simple ongoing maintenance and driver replacement years down the road. The SUPERLUX part number is BE HB17 600W.